Hey friends, it's Shannon. So welcome back. So today we are trying on my spring Wantable. So Wantable is one of those mail order style boxes where you get 7 different pieces that are supposed to be tailored for you. You try them on, you keep what you like, and you return what you don't. So I already have on the first piece. Let me step back and show you. So the first thing I have on is a pair of Liverpool Kelsey wide leg trousers in biscuit. They're essentially khaki or tan. These are size 14. These are $109. They're a little steep, but they are a perfect fit, and I'm really liking them. They have a little bit of stretch, but they look nice and polished, almost like suiting. You can't see the bottom, but for me, the length is amazing, and I'm tall. I'm 5'10", and so usually length is an issue. Just a really nice, comfortable fit. I'll come a little closer so you can see just a nice flat waist, pockets. Do a little turn. So I'm actually really happy with these pants, and I'm already decided to keep them, even though they are $109. When you find a great pair of trousers, I think you got to go for it. All right, we'll keep going. All right, so next I have on, it's called the Sedinio printed bomber jacket multicolor Henry, size large. This is $79. So I'll come a little closer. As you guys can see, it's just sort of a really kind of fun, almost retro print. I do actually like how this jacket fits. It's almost cropped. It's right at the waist. It's really kind of a cute fit. I'm not in love with the pattern. So, you know, obviously I think if it came in a different color, I would be more interested. But I do think it's kind of a cute, lightweight little layer. I'll do a quick spin. So this is no, but I do like, it's sort of an imaginative choice, and I do like that. All right, next we have the Thread and Supply Lewis plaid shirt in, it's called Beige Moss, so it's kind of green and olive. Size large, $66. If I'd gotten this last winter, I'm sure I would have kept it. It's super soft, it's really cute, but it definitely has winter vibes to me. So I don't feel like I want to keep that at the start of summer, but it is cute. And I know shackets were in a couple seasons ago, but I live in Minnesota and shackets are timeless here. You can wear them any year and still be cool. So, all right, next I have on the 78 and Sunny Brookville one shoulder sweatshirt in navy, size large, $69. So this is soft, it's very nice. It's definitely a no. I don't get the 78 and Sunny brand aesthetic at all. I think that might be an in-house brand for Wantable. It has a lot of brush knit, it has a lot of tie-dye, and I said no tie-dye this time, and then they sent me this, which is nice, but this also just feels like something you could just pick up at like Walmart or Fleet Farm, or pick sort of your like big chain store for $15. So yeah, I mean, it's cute, but I just don't think it's a $70 sweatshirt, excuse me. All right, now I'm on 2 really cute summery pieces in this box. This is the Skies Are Blue floral printed cami in a green ivory, size large, $48. So this is cute. Sorry, that's a little hangy thing, but it's sort of got a double strap here, a nice neckline, and I'll do a spin. It is like a polyester blouse material. It's cute. I just don't feel like I need this, but it is cute. And then on the bottom, I have a pair of Liverpool pleated trouser shorts with a self belt in a tan. It's called Yarn Dye, $68. Apparently I did request these. So these have a little like white stripe. They feel almost kind of like linen. These are really cute. I do like the tie. They fit well. I like the pants better, but I think these are cute. I do think Liverpool just makes nice things. What can I say? All right, I have one more item left to show you. All right, so the last item I have is the Skies Are Blue. This is the striped Sweetheart maxi dress in yellow and white. It's an XL, so size 14, $78. It is cute. I do think the neckline's adorable. I love that the straps are thick enough just to hide a bra strap. It is very flattering at the waist. There's smocking in the back, I'll show you. It is yellow, and I'm kind of into yellow this year. It's not floral, which is good because I do have a lot of florals. So it's cute on its own. But I also think it could look just really cute, like with a little cropped denim jacket, which I just happen to be putting on right now. I do like this dress, you guys, but I have so many dresses. So that is my kind of my sticking point about what if I should keep this or not. What do you guys think? Is this cute? Is it worth keeping? Or Enough, Shannon, enough dresses for summer. Anyway, so that is my entire Wantable. If I kept all 7 items, it's $413 minus $20 for my style fee, plus the keep 5 discount of $103 would be $393. So that's definitely not happening, but I'm definitely keeping the pants. I actually already wore them to work today, so that's $100. And then this dress here would be $78 if I kept this. What do you guys think? Anyway, let me know what you think of this box. If there's any keepers or any definitely send backs. Also, let me know what you're getting in your Wantables. If you guys like these kind of videos, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing so I can keep making them. And anyway, thanks for stopping by. See you soon.